The answer is ironic. Most of rich children have more problems with family, personality and social behavior than poor children. Mr. President, rich children have more family problems than poor children. To have a luckiest life, their parents have to work hard. Leave home early when those children are sleeping and come back late when they are in bed. The time which those children have with their parents is limited. They have to manage to finish everything by themselves. Their parents give them money, eat fun, but they never care about how their children spend the money or what they need. All those parents think that how to earn more and more money and how to advance in their career. All those parents think that their children are happy with a lot of money. Instead, they do not realize that their children also need love and care from them, just like millions of other children. Those people who desire to hear the gentle and loving voice of their mom, the strict instruction of their dad, and want joyful homes, evening with their parents, can money bring all these simple things to them? The richness ironically seems to bring loneliness to them, Mr. President. In addition, rich children have other views about social behavior. Due to an easy and satisfied life, they have a high standard or different definition about friendship. The rich children do not want to have friends from families who do not have same lifestyle, as they live in big comfortable house, new cars and new clothes. Besides, most of those children are selfish. They just want people to take care of them instead of thinking and taking care of others. They do not understand what sacrifice is that, do not know the value of friendship. If that happiness in their standard, they in fact are considered as a spoiled generation of society, which consists of those who do not know anybody but themselves. Money does not mean happiness. Is it just mean that you have advantage when you are born in a rich family? Never. Rich children actually have more family problems than the poor children. They have social behavior and Thus, you should appreciate everything you have and never ask why you are not born in a rich family. Thank you, Mr. President.